Okay class, so this is what I wanted to show you for the examples of what double exposure looks like. And as you can see, it's an image within an image. So here we have what looks like the image of a female with her hand on her hat, and then we have some kind of a landscape behind her that's been screened, but you can still see her features. So this is the type of effect we're looking at. We're looking at an image within an image, and a lot of times you see profiles of people. Within them you see a mountain range, or you could see a waterfall, you could see a cityscape, but the idea is to still keep the shape as well as the features still intact, yet also silhouette another image inside of that image. So this is an idea of what we would like to consider as double exposure. And it's very simple and easy to do. So going back to my image, I already have my model ready, and I have already done a path around her. So it's in my path tools. What I do is I go into paths, and they should be here, or you can go into layers, and in the next tab over you should find your path once you have completed that. And all we did to do that was use the pen tool to create a shape, close the shape, and this is what the working path would look like. So here's my model, and what I would like to do is start to play around with this image in a way where I can start to see the silhouette of the model take shape with the background of this landscape. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go into paths, and I want to drag down to the marching ants symbol right here, and this is the effect that I'll see. And I want to get rid of the background, this background green color that she's on. So I make sure that she's selected, and then I'm going to go into select and inverse. So what that does is, instead of selecting her, I'm selecting the background with her profile. So what I do is, after inverse, I just click delete, and I already have a silhouette of her, a very clean silhouette. So now what I want to do is put her in the back, like so. And then what I want is to start playing with the idea of creating a silhouette of that model, but using this landscape right here. So to do that, I'm going to click on the model layer right here, click Command. So when I click Command, as you can see, that marching ants selection tool becomes active. So while that's selected, I'm going to go into my landscape layer and create a mask. And to create a mask, I'm just going to click on this icon right here, which says Add Layer Mask, like so. And I already have a silhouette of the model with the African landscape in the back. So this is the first step. Now I want to bring back some of her features, and I will start discussing more of those details in the next layer, where we can really get into the mask and start erasing some of those features to really highlight that this is a double exposure, where we don't just see one image, but we see two images. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video.